Today we're going to do a review on angles.
8th grader Zach Blumberg takes notes while watching his teacher, Mr. Humphreys, draw examples.
So angle 1 would also be 42 degrees.
But Mr. Humphreys is not here. In fact, this isn't even his classroom. It's the Blumberg's kitchen. His voice comes from this video.
There are 3 types of angles that we are going to review.
Put together and posted on Mr. Humphreys' YouTube page.
All they have to do is watch this, and then they're ready for math class.
The laptop lecture is the first part in flipping the classroom. The second part takes place at Washington Junior High in Rock Island in room 306.
Good afternoon.
Recognize that voice?
All right, take out a sheet of paper.
Kirk Humphreys has taught at Washington for more than 11 years.
I love teaching here at Washington. We have a great staff, and I think we do really well with the kids, and I like the students, and I wouldn't change it for anything.
But starting this semester, he decided to do things differently.
All right, I'm going to give you your homework.
Just 5 minutes into class, students start working on the problems that went with last night's lesson. From that point on, it's quiet. No lecture, just students helping students, which Mr. Humphreys says is his favorite part with the flip.
Students always go home and they get stuck on something, and then no one can help them. So what I've done is I want them to work on it in class.
I know that the singles 2x plus 8.
Right? So go from there. They can ask each other and work together. Use the media, because I'm not always going to be there.
But until that time, he uses his time asking questions rather than telling answers.
Why would you divide by 2? Why did you set them equal to 180? I'm not going to be with them in the future, and they're not going to have their teachers at home, so they need to learn how to start looking up things themselves and coming up with the answers based on what they have, and that's what I'm trying to do with this. What do you know about Z? What does it look like?
It looks like a right angle.
And what he's doing works, not just for students, but for parents too. Back to the classroom in the kitchen, Zach's dad says the flip has been fantastic for their family.
We know that both of these angles have to add up to 180.
The year really started out just like any other math year, where Zach would come home with 20, 30 math problems, and we'd spend an hour to sometimes 2 hours doing math. And now it's 20 minutes maybe max.
I want you to think about it. You're on the right track.
This time-saving, tech-savvy teacher certainly doesn't go by the book. Actually, his book is online. But this new math method is adding more than just numbers to these students' lives.
We were given the opportunity for Zach to be in the honors math class. It was a no-brainer. We knew that he was going to be challenged, but also he was going to have a great instructor that was going to lead him down the right road.
He makes learning fun.
All by flipping the classroom.
See you guys later. Have a good day.